Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Siri voice not working on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable dictation. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Keyboard. On the Keyboard page, scroll down, tap Enable Dictation. Turn on Dictation. Solution number 2. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Siri and search. On the Siri page, turn on Listen for Hey Siri. Tap on Continue. Tap on Done. Turn on Allow Siri when logged. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 3. Select Prefer Spoken Responses. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Siri and search. On the Siri page, tap Siri Responses. Select Prefer Spoken Responses. Thanks for watching this video.